Greetings to the viewers. Welcome to Unit 2 of Principles of Management. In this first lecture, we will explore what management principles are and why they matter. We'll also meet two of the most influential thinkers in management, Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor. By the end of this session, you'll be able to define management principles, explain their importance, and understand the basic ideas given by Fayol and Taylor. These are the two individuals who shaped how our organizations are managed today. So, what are management principles? They are basic rules or guidelines. They help managers take better decisions, plan properly, guide their teams, and maintain control. Think of them like a compass, giving direction but flexible enough to adjust when needed. So why are these principles important? They improve efficiency, they create clarity, help teams achieve goals, and bring consistency in how decisions are made. Without them, organizations can become disorganized and less productive. So now let's meet the two individuals who have helped to shape the domain of management. Here it's Henry Fayol. He is known as the father of administrative management. He was a French engineer who focused on how top managers should organize work. So he has 14 principles and they are going to be studied. Principles of management are still studied and applied around the world. Next we have Frederick Winslow Taylor, who is also known as F.W. Taylor. He is focused on improving the way workers do their jobs. So he is mostly focused on the lower level of management. He introduced scientific management and his methods focused on standardizing the work, improving productivity, and creating harmony between workers and managers. Let's take an example now. An example of a class trip planning. Imagine your class is organizing a one-day trip. First, you plan the destination, then you assign tasks, select volunteers, guide one another, and stay within budget. These actions show you're applying the functions and principles of management, even without formal training. So here's a quick recap. Management principles are practical, useful, and still relevant. Fayol talked about structure and top-level tasks, whereas Taylor focused on efficiency at the ground level. Together, they laid the foundation of modern management. In the next lecture, we will begin by studying the Fayol's 14 principles of management in detail. These ideas will give you a strong base for understanding how managers think and act in real organizations. Thank you.